Hey everybody, T.O. from Art Geek Teaching. Today I'm going to look at a hack for squeegees. I bought squeegees at the dollar store and we're just going to cut one of them and make a smaller one coming up. Okay, not sure if we can see this or not. All I've done is marked it. I didn't measure it. And so what I'm trying to do is just make a smaller squeegee, right? These I got at the dollar store. Not sure it'll work, but we'll try it. I'm going to cut this part with an X-Acto knife so it's nice and clean, or a razor blade. I'm just going to cut to the hard part of the plastic and then I'll stop once I get to the end of the rubber. So we'll see here. What I'm going to do is kind of backwards. There's no, I mean, you know, again, I don't even know if this is going to work, so we'll try this. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do the other one, which means we're gonna be out here. And the fence isn't really helping a lot, but it is gonna give me a little bit of a guideline. All right, we'll finish them up with a razor blade. All right, back in the studio. And I'm just going to cut the end of this with my carpet knife so it's nice and clean. Okay, I think that works nicely. For $1, now I have two, actually $1 each, I guess. I have two different sizes that I can use, and rather than try to find one that was smaller, just a really simple deal to make a smaller one. And I recognize that most people are not going to have a bandsaw, or at least a lot of people, and so you could do this very same thing with a hacksaw. Just a hacksaw blade will go right through it, and you just want to make sure you don't go all the way to the end. You want this to be smooth on the end of it. I have to clean that one up properly. All right, there you have it. We'll see how they work. Okay, I'll just test on this paper. It's the only paint I have hanging out. Oh yeah, look at that. That's kind of cool. And of course the big one will work for sure. No problem. I'm curious about these guys. Can you use those? Oh yeah. We can even use the little ones. That's kind of cool. Get it nice and thin. Sweet. All right, so there you have it. $2, dollar store. Have a good night.